Hello everybody. In this video, I am going to give an update on my portfolio and show you all of my positions. Let's get started. Right now, my portfolio is worth $157,508.04. In the past year, I am up $66,854.64. Year to date for the year 2024, I am up $13,033.33. The market was not open today, so this is not applicable, but let's go over my positions. So for my options, I am selling Toyota $175 covered calls. These expire February 21st. My return, I am down $308. I'm selling Amazon $220 covered calls. These expire March 21st. My return, I am down $810. I'm selling Delta Airlines $60 covered calls. These expire March 21st. My return, I am down $1,188. I'm selling Disney $120 covered calls. These expire March 21st. My return, $834. I'm selling Google $190 covered calls. These expire March 21st. My return, I am down $465.99. I am selling SoFi $15 covered calls. These expire March 21st. My return, I am down $10,752. I'm selling Target $145 covered calls. These expire March 21st. My return, $54. For my cryptocurrencies, I have Bitcoin and Dogecoin. I just got these as a free reward from Robinhood for the New Year countdown. I'm just keeping these in my portfolio for now. For my stocks, I have 300 shares of Amazon. Amazon is at $234.60. My average cost, $226.06. My return, $2,562.50. I have 6,400 shares of SoFi. SoFi is at $17.95. My average cost, $5.70. My return, $78,410.05. I have 300 shares of Google. Google's at $200.03. My average cost, $177.69. My return, $6,702.36. I have 400 shares of Disney. Disney is at $112.03. My average cost, $114.49. My return, I am down $983.25. I have 200 shares of Target. Target is at $137.68. My average cost, $149.41. My return, I am down $2,346.50. I have 400 shares of Delta Airlines. Delta Airlines is at $67.17. My average cost, $65.76. My return, $564.12. I have 100 shares of Toyota. Toyota is at $186.61. My average cost, $182.10. My return, $451.04. This is a margin account. My margin total is $176,533.73. My margin used is $164,360.37. This gives me $12,173.36 in buying power. My margin status is low risk. My buffer is $70,929.63. This is how much money I can lose before I get margin called. My annual interest rate is 5.25%. The daily interest that I am paying is $23.83, and I am borrowing $1,000 of margin interest free. So I think I've been doing very well this year. $13,000 profit so far, and it's all thanks to my covered calls. Well, and I also made money off of just the increase in price of some of my stocks as well, particularly SoFi, right? I got it at a price of below $6, like $5.70 share is my average cost. And right now it's at close to $18, so made a lot of money off of that. But most of my portfolio, well, pretty much all of my portfolio is just covered calls that expire within the next 2 to 3 months. The earliest one being Toyota. Now this company reports soon. I think they report on February 5th. And right now they're at 186. I am comfortable with it staying above 175. That's what I want at expiration. So it's at 186 right now. I want it to either stay where it's at or just at least stay above 175. And I'll just collect my money and then move on. And then my shares of Toyota will get called away. That's what I would want. But if it goes down a lot after their earnings, then I'll just have to hold on to my shares, which I'm comfortable doing as well. Now, I did say before that I would think about rolling out some of these covered calls, but some of them have just gone up quite a bit. Amazon is above 230 now. It's at 234. My goodness. So I don't have too much buying power right now, and I don't want to spend too much money rolling out everything. The one thing that I do want to keep are my shares of SoFi. So if at expiration SoFi stays above 15, I'm gonna pay whatever money that I have to in order to roll these out. I'll figure out some way to do it. Right now it's at $17.95, and they report on Monday. So right now it's Saturday, it's the 25th, and they report on, I believe, before the market opens. Yes. So the next one is going to be January 27th, pre-market. So that is Monday. Pre-market before the market opens. We'll see what they report. We'll see. The estimated is 4 cents per share. Man, if it shoots up really high, I'm gonna miss out on so much money. But it is what it is. I still end up making some profit anyways, but I'll miss out on some money. Gosh. And the thing is, my covered call, the return of it so far is like negative 10,000. Look at this. Total return, I am down $10,000 on this position. So if I didn't have this, I could have been $10,000 richer, but it is what it is. Or if I chose a strike price that's much higher than 15, then I would be richer than I am right now. But I think at the time, I didn't have enough money to choose an even higher strike price than it is now. So I kind of had to balance it and choose one that made sense. And 15 made sense at the time. But anyways, I can't wait to see what happens. I mean, if it does go down by a lot and it goes dropping below 15, I would actually be happy with that, because that means I get to keep my shares without having to roll out these covered calls. And if it goes up, that means I lose out on some money, but then I make a profit overall anyways. And like I said, I plan to roll these out no matter what, because SoFi is one of those positions in my portfolio that I want to keep my shares of SoFi no matter what. So I only have $12,000, and this is like margin kind of buying power. Is it really the cash that I have is like about half of this, which is around 6,000. So I have a limited amount of money that I can use to roll out my SoFi covered calls. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, I initially planned to, you know, oh, maybe I'll roll out my Amazon and Google and stuff. But it seems like if SoFi shoots up really high on Monday, I might not have enough money to roll everything out, you know, so I have to pick and choose. My top two would be Amazon and SoFi. So SoFi for sure, and then if I have some money left over, I'll probably roll out my Amazon shares as well. My covered calls, that is. Anyways, that's my plan. Hopefully it goes well. The year's been going very well so far, and hopefully this continues. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep on doing the same strategy, do covered calls on my shares, and we'll go on from there. All right, that's pretty much it for this portfolio update. I'm very happy that I'm at 158K right now, rounded up, and I hope to reach 160 and then eventually 170 sometime this year as well, but we'll see. I'll keep on making more updates so you guys can see what's going on with my portfolio. If I have any new positions, if I get rid of anything, I'll let you guys know. If you guys like this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll keep on making more of these videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.